Welcome back. Today we're looking at some envelopes from Switzerland, mostly airmail. So let's take a look. The first one is this stamp exhibition from 1938, Aarau. Nice sheet. You can see nice cancellation right in the middle. Then we have like a double cancellation here as well. So overall not too bad. Looks nice. All right, let's take a look at the next one. 1944, I believe, airmail. All right. Then we have a helicopter post, meaning helicopter mail. The first Swizz helicopter mail, 1948. All right. So let's take a look at both of these. Two more helicopter mails. So this is from a series from 1948 as well. The green one is from this series right here, but the other two stamps come out of this sheet. So yeah, these look nice too. All right, let's take a look at the next one. This one to commemorate a flight from Zurich all the way to Capetown. Has a nice giraffe and an airplane here. Okay, what else? Let's see, 25 years when it first, I guess, went over a mountain. Alpenüberquerung mit Flugzeug. So I guess that's what it means. Yeah, looks nice. Yeah, so there you have it. A bunch of airmails from Switzerland. Hope you like this. And I'll have some more in the upcoming days. Stay tuned.